Yo, it has been a minute since we have made a good old seafood boil on the channel. So here we are. I'm about to put you on and show you how to make the most amazing seafood boil dish. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let go. So we're gonna start off by getting our corn and potatoes going. I'm using this Louisiana crawfish and shrimp boil package. It's a really dope seasoning. It's a little spicy, but it's very much delicious. I've tossed in about half of that package in the water, as well as some corn and potatoes. I'm gonna let this go for about 20 minutes or until my potatoes are fork tender. Very simple, poke it with a fork. Once it goes in nice and easy, you know it's ready to go. And we're gonna move on and get our crab going as well. I'm tossing in the remainder of that seasoning into the water, and we're gonna toss our snow crabs right on in. Drop it down in the comments below which crab is your favorite. Personally, of course, king crab is number one, but number two is Dungeness crab for me. Number three is snow crab. Number four will probably be blue crab, to be completely honest. But moving on, we have about a pound of some red Argentine shrimp. Of course, you can use regular shrimp if you want. And we're gonna season it up proper. We're gonna use about half of this seasoning blend right here, and we're gonna save the rest for later. You wanna make sure your shrimp are well coated up in this delicious seasoning right here. So I have my heat here to about a medium high. I drizzled a little bit of oil into the pan, and we're gonna drop in our andouille sausage. We want these to get nice, beautiful, and golden brown like you see on your screen right here. You wanna make sure to do that to both sides of your sausage, and once that's taken care of, you're then gonna remove that and set it off to the side. Once we have it removed, we're gonna just toss our shrimp right into this pan right here, and we're gonna get them seared up. The shrimp obviously takes no time to cook. Shrimp are shrimp, okay? You're gonna let it go for about, let's say, 2 minutes per side for the shrimp. And again, once your shrimp is cooked, same process. Take it off the heat, put it off to the side as we work on the next step. Now that our shrimp is done and removed from the pan, I'm dropping in a little bit more oil as well as some minced garlic, a small chopped onion. You want to let that go for about a minute or two. Then we're going to add in some unsalted butter. For me, unsalted is always the way because you can always add salt later. And right here is optional, which is adding some chicken broth, but I believe it gives it more of that consistency that I'm looking for. Instead of just straight butter, it turns it into more of a sauce consistency when you add that chicken broth. And here I'm adding in the remainder of the seasoning that we had earlier, as well as some hot sauce. We're also gonna drop in a little bit of freshly chopped parsley, some lemon juice, and that sauce right here is chef kiss, so delicious. Okay, that sauce is done, ready to go. Now it's time to reintroduce our shrimp and our andouille sausage, baby. Obviously, I said we're adding the parsley. Here we are, parsley going in. Then we got our shrimp and our andouille sausage. You want to let those, you know, simmer just for an additional, let's say, 2 to 3 minutes. And then everything is ready to come together. It's time to plate up. You're gonna grab your corn and potatoes, get them on a plate, your crab, get it on a plate, and you're gonna take this pan right here with all this goodness, and you're just gonna pour it right over the top, and you are ready to bust down, baby. This right here was so delicious, so amazing. 10 out of 10. You definitely gotta give it a try. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.